Hi, I'm Mike with Family Handyman. If you're sick of toilet paper like I am, you're in luck. The bidet revolution has arrived in the United States. It's been going on for a long time overseas, and good news, you don't have to break the bank to join. Today, I'm going to install the Tushy Bidet attachment. It's really easy to install and it's inexpensive. And in just a few steps, you can go from a TP-dependent wiper to a clean and hands-free washer. Let's get started. First, turn off the water to the toilet and the sink. Find the valve behind the toilet and the hot water supply under the sink. Turn the valves clockwise to shut them off. Flush the toilet to remove most of the water, then unscrew the supply hose from the toilet and the hot water valve under the sink. There's not many pieces involved, and they send you everything you need to install the bidet. Screw the flexible hose that came with the Tushy to the plastic hose adapter. Go slowly, the plastic threads are really easy to strip. Screw the adapter to the toilet, then the flexible hose from the water supply valve to the adapter. Insert a rubber washer into the hot water adapter. Install it onto the hot water supply valve, then attach the flexible hose. To get the hot water to the Tushy, I had to drill a hole in the bottom of the vanity to feed it through. Remove the toilet seat, then connect the cold water supply to the Tushy, followed by the hot water supply, and then position the bidet onto the toilet. Then place the toilet seat on top of the bidet attachment, tighten down the nylon screws, turn the water on, and that's it. You're good to go. So as you can see, this Tushy bidet attachment is really easy to install. It took me about 20 minutes to get this thing up and running. A few things I really like about it are they send everything you need to install it right in the box. It fits every kind of toilet, and if you're a parent like me, no more wiping toddler butts. So you can find the Tushy bidet attachment online for around $120, and for more revolutionary products and how-to projects like this, head to familyhandyman.com.